Welcome! Today, we're going to learn 3 important words in quality assurance testing: proactive, hurdle, and diligence. Our first word is proactive. Proactive is an adjective. Imagine you're testing a new website. Instead of waiting for users to report problems, you are proactive and you try to break the website. In quality assurance testing, testers are proactive. They use different methods to find potential issues before users find them. This can involve trying to log in with incorrect usernames and passwords, clicking buttons repeatedly, or searching for specific error messages. If you're proactive, you actively do something that is positive to try to improve a situation. Next, let's talk about hurdle. Hurdle is a noun. Imagine a new app you're testing suddenly crashes when you try to upload a photo. This crash is a hurdle that prevents you from using the app. A hurdle is a problem which we have to solve. In quality assurance testing, a hurdle is a bug or unexpected behavior found in the software. Testers need to clearly describe these hurdles to the developers so they can be fixed. They often take screenshots or record videos to show the exact problem. Our final word is diligence. Diligence is a noun. Diligent is the adjective form. Imagine trying to test a website with hundreds of different pages. It takes time and effort to make sure everything works as expected. In quality assurance testing, testers need to be diligent. This means that they need to examine each feature of the software, following test plans and procedures very carefully. They also need to keep trying and tell someone when they find any problems, whether they are big or small. Remember these words: proactive, hurdle, and diligence. Testers use them to make sure the software works smoothly and users have a positive experience.